So we have this patient. She came to us from Afghanistan for her treatment over here. I would let her speak about herself and her journey through the treatment. इनको मदद करेंगे, इनके बेटे साथ हैं दोनों, बिकॉज वो फारसी में बात करती हैं. बताइए सर, क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका? अफगानिस्तान में आपके साथ क्या हुआ और फिर यहाँ पे आके क्या हुआ?
She had a small pain in her stomach, and then we took her to the hospital. They said she's diagnosed with the appendix. After a while, she was taking this serum in her hand, and all of a sudden she started bleeding internally. To stop that bleeding, they had to do a big operation to stop the bleeding. They thought that maybe her vein is blast, that they had to do the operation all of a sudden. Meanwhile, they said we have just stopped the bleeding. So for now, we have to shift it to another hospital. She must have heart problem. Then we went to another hospital, and there they checked and they said, okay, all the veins, everything is okay. There was a small bleeding which took more than 2000 cc's. Fortunately, she got well there, and they said, okay, there is a tumor inside, we cannot operate her. You have to go to some other country to take this out, because we don't have that facility in Afghanistan. So we had to come to Pakistan. First we went to hospital. We were not that satisfied with the recommendation and suggestion by general surgeon doctor. So we had to come to this hospital as a reference from a friend of mine. So we came here and we met with Dr. Kashif Khan. We spoke all the situation from the beginning till now, and we did a CT scan. And he said there is a surgery needed and you have to come after a while, because that wound was very fresh. We had to come after a month to do the surgery. We came here and we got treated very well. We really liked the services which was provided to us in here. As a patient, we have to be listened and we have to be caring about the people who come here and visit. So that was very nice in here, and we really like those facilities. About the nurse, about every department who were coming to the ward, giving their own suggestions. For example, the physiotherapist and the nurses coming on time and taking the injections and medicines on time. So that was very fascinating.
And
We were
Dr.
really
Yas,
mesmerized with this facility. We were not actually expecting it. And now she's completely fine, sitting next to me, and we are so happy. And especially a very big thank to Dr. Kashif Khan, who put all his effort to save my auntie. I don't know how to thank you.
سر پروفیسور که بسیار زحمت کشیده سر و که مشکل ترین سرجری رو سر ما انجام داد و جور شد.